Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. That is Technical Olivia, this is Swapnil, and today I will show you how you can provide restricted access to the another user, okay, in the SharePoint list itself. So for that I am using a two different account. One is the Swapnil account and another is this one, which is the Pragati account. This is a secondary account. Okay, so I don't have provided any access to that secondary account, but right now if I provide member access, then all the list and pages and document library can be accessible to that secondary account. But I want to give a restricted access only. So what I will do is, so consider this as a test one. Okay, it has a 2 line items and I want to share this one only, this test one list access to that secondary account so that he can contribute in this. So for that what you have to do is, you have to click on a list setting. Under a list setting there is an option called permission for the list. Okay, so currently I have 4 groups. This is the new group that I have created. I will explain it later, but this is the member, owner and visitor. Members means if you add any people in the member, then all the accesses means all the list that he can access, list, adding list, delete list, or all these operations he can manage. But currently I want to give only a restricted access to this specific user. So what I will do is, I will go to the grant permission and add that user name, which is this, and in this section show option I will provide contribute. Now what is contribute access? Contribute access, like you can add list item in the SharePoint list, you can delete list item in the SharePoint list, but you cannot delete SharePoint list, or you cannot create any view, I guess, in that SharePoint list. So this access will be provided. Email also sent, but I will directly copy the link of this. I think this is test one. I will copy this link and let's try this over here. Okay, now if I have access to test list one, okay, let's see if I want to modify this, because I have given a contribute access. Okay, so I can make the changes. I can, let's say if I want to delete, yes, you can delete. Let's say if you want to create a view, you can create a view but not the public view, because it has only restricted access. So you can again, all item is the default view, so you cannot modify that view, but you can create your own personal view, my second view. Okay, let's say if you like this calendar or work week or day wise or whatever you want, or gallery wise. So I will hit on OK, and this is my gallery wise. Let's say if I click on another item, which is test 3 tracks, okay, I can create the items, but I cannot delete the list or use a default view or create a default view and make the changes on that. So this is how restricted access you can provide. But again, if I let's say, because in this video, sorry, in this setting, site contents or data labs, there are 2 lists. Let's try to open this second list. For that what you will do is, you will go to the site content, but it's saying that it's forbidden. Means by using the contribute access, you cannot give permissions to the secondary user so that he can visit another contents or another list, right? So if you have, let's say if you have a very private list, so that secondary user will not open that and will not access that your data. So this is how you can restricted access to your list. So if you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.